Welcome to Rob Talks. Today we're going to talk about the upcoming new moon on August 4th, 2024. We will also at the end of this video add a bonus message of what planets are visible during this new moon and the spiritual messages associated with each one. The August 4th new moon is often seen as a time of new beginnings and fresh starts. It is a powerful moment for setting intentions and manifesting desires. Spiritually, this new moon is believed to bring clarity and insight, helping us to connect with our inner selves and the universe. It also encourages reflection and the release of old patterns. On a side note, this is similar to what my daily Mayan calendar message also have been saying recently. The energy of this new moon can influence our emotions, making it a perfect time for introspection and personal growth. So, embrace this period and align with your true purpose and harness the moon's mystical power. The August 4th new moon is known by several names, each reflecting different cultural perspectives and traditions. Some call it the sturgeon moon, named after the large fish that were more easily caught during this time. Others refer to it as the grain moon, recognizing the period of harvest. These names, well, they offer a glimpse into how our ancestors connected with nature and the cycles of the moon. This new moon also falls in the sign of Leo, signifying a time of vibrant energy, creativity, and self-expression. Leo's influence encourages us to embrace our inner strength and to shine brightly in our endeavors. The spiritual significance of this August new moon symbolizes new beginnings and a time to set our intentions and to manifest our desires. As the moon renews itself, we too are being encouraged to reflect on our lives and embrace change. This new moon is also a powerful moment for personal growth and transformation. It offers us a celestial reminder to align our actions with our true purpose. The unique messages of this new moon are deeply personal and can vary for all of us. However, common themes include renewal, clarity, and a fresh start. It invites us to clear away the old and make space for the new, to listen to our inner wisdom, to get in touch with our intuition, and to trust in the journey ahead. So now is a time to embrace and set your intentions, visualize your goals, and take the first steps towards making them a reality. As a bonus message, since there are several planets visible in the night sky during this new moon, I wanted to talk a little bit about each one. Venus, known as the planet of love and beauty, will be shining brightly in the west. Mars, the planet of action and desire, can be seen in the east. Jupiter, the planet of expansion and abundance, is visible in the south. Mercury, the planet of intellect and communication, is visible in the west. And Saturn, which is associated with discipline, responsibility and structure, is visible in the southern sky. Each of these planets brings its own spiritual significance during this new moon. Venus encourages us to open our hearts to love and beauty. This Venus in Virgo brings a grounded, practical approach to relationships and self-love. It encourages us to focus on the little things that contribute to our well-being and the well-being of those we care about. So this is a time to refine and improve aspects of our lives related to beauty and harmony, making sure they align with our higher values and practical needs. Mars inspires us to take bold actions towards our desires. Mars is also in Virgo and promotes disciplined, efficient action. So it's a good time to take practical steps toward achieving goals, particularly those related to health, work, and relationships. So channel this passionate energy of Mars into detailed, productive work and into your relationships. This is a period to harness your drive and focus it on things that require precision and dedication. Jupiter reminds us to embrace abundance and growth in our lives. This Jupiter is in Taurus, which emphasizes growth through stability and practical efforts. It's a period for expanding your resources and talents in a steady, grounded manner. So this is a time to cultivate a sense of abundance and gratitude, focusing on the tangible, material aspects of life that bring you joy and satisfaction. Mercury reminds us to speak wisely and open up communication. This Mercury in Virgo enhances analytical thinking and clear communication. This is an excellent time for setting intentions related to improving communication skills, organizing your thoughts, and paying attention to details. Also, with this new moon in Leo, there's a harmonious blend of expressive creativity and precise communication. It's an ideal time to start new projects that require both creativity and attention to detail. Saturn is connected to discipline and responsibility and structure. This Saturn will be in Pisces and blends structure with compassion and is encouraging us to build solid foundations in our spiritual practices and emotional lives. So this is a period to take responsibility for your dreams and intuition, create practical plans to bring your spiritual insights into the material world. As you gaze up at the night sky, let the alignment of these celestial bodies remind you of the interconnectedness of the universe and your place within it. Use this time to align your intentions with the cosmic energies, enhancing your journey towards a fulfilling life. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.